Okay, after painting, nice and shiny, I will be painting that probably flat black. That's where the blades are going to be attached. Got my output. What I did was I extended my wires. I know there's two different ones. I got them marked clearly. Copper is one coil, uncoppered the second coil. Now I'm getting ready to try to snake it through a pipe that I have that's going to get threaded on to this. That'll give me plenty of length to bolt this system down, so in the end what's going to only spin is the outside. Plus the screws I used, I got them all ready to go. I'm going to double nut them. I got another second set of nuts right here. So I'm going to double nut them just to hold the casing together. So I got it mounted to a bracket real quick. I got the rectifier just kind of loosely testing on there. Coming up to the leads, as you can see the leads are all connected. I'm using this black one just to dump the capacitor load because there's a capacitor on that, just so I can kill it. Comes up to here, now that's DC current. DC, I don't know if you can see the DC in the corner. DC right there. Okay, little tiny spin, 21 volts. Little tiny spin. 24 volts. Now I'm just barely spinning that with my fingers, with one finger actually. I'm getting 44 volts DC current. I don't have an amp load. Oh, I do have an amp. I'm going to test amps next.